Hello students, I am Dr. Nazir Mahmood and I have a PhD from the University of Birmingham. I have recently taken over as the Dean of Faculty of Liberal Arts and Humanities at Greenwich University. As spring is approaching and as flowers will be sprouting soon, I would strongly encourage you to join Greenwich University. We have multiple departments focusing on various disciplines. For example, our education department offers B.Ed, Masters and PhD in education. Now, as you know that education sector is rapidly expanding in Pakistan, a professional degree in education will highly benefit you in your career development. Similarly, we have a school of diplomacy and international relations. If you are interested in social sciences, cultural diplomacy, international relations, again, we offer bachelor's, master's and PhD programs in these disciplines. Then in addition to that, we have a school of psychology. As we know that in Pakistan or around the world, as digital age and the age of artificial intelligence is approaching, side by side, there are psychological problems which many people are facing. In fact, every second or third person is facing a psychological issue. So the field of psychology is again rapidly expanding, and here also we offer bachelor's programs in psychology. So I encourage you to join one of these programs. Then if we move to media and fashion, again, we have very interesting programs. For example, in media, we don't only teach media studies, actually we focus on hands-on experience of media production. So a bachelor's or a master's or even a PhD in media will greatly enhance your chances of lucrative employment in future. Similarly, fashion industry is also expanding in Pakistan, and our program in fashion is one of the most up-to-date programs in Pakistan. So these are the programs, students, that you should be looking at, and I am looking forward to welcoming you at Greenwich University.